affordable, friendly and useful location. The rooms are pretty standard, quiet and clean. The staff are super friendly and very helpful. The breakfast are basic fare, can choose between a waffle and a bagel and then add toppings of your choice, but is good enough start to the day. The location is pretty good. Close walk to main Kyoto station but also near a tube line with good connections to Nara if you wish to do a day visit there. Also walkable distance to some sites in the east of Kyoto. Would stay here again for sure, such a fun vibe. We lucked out on snagging this hotel for a great price. It's about a 12-minute walk from the Kyoto station and a 1-minute walk from a much smaller station, which makes it perfect. You can bypass the chaos of Kyoto station. We loved the hotel and how nice the staff was. The hotel itself is really cute and in a safe, quiet area. They also give you a free scoop of ice cream each night, and free drinks. Would stay here again. Good vibes, very trendy and comfy. Love this hotel. We love the trendy vibe of the place. Pretty interiors, spacious room and love the unique idea of being able to borrow and play records. Delicious ice cream, we always look forward to our daily free ice cream. Friendly staff and can speak good English. Location-wise, I'd say it's perfect, walking distance from Kujo Station, which is just one station away from Kyoto Station. You'd also have a view of Kyoto Tower while walking, which is nice. Our favorite hotel from our Japan trip, super nice chic hotel with delicious ice cream. Love the ambience and fashion of hotel lobby and rooms, will definitely come back for more ice cream. Awesome stay, staff friendly and room is clean and comfy. Their shampoo and treatment was great. Anyone know the brand? Exceptional. I love the entire environment of this hotel and it is very convenient for the late self check-in.